Welcome back to 3 Million Cash. Today, I'm going to show you how to start investing with just $100. You don't need to be rich to begin investing. Small steps can lead to big results over time. Ready to grow your money in 2024? Let's get started. Step 1. Why start with $100? First off, why $100? It's an amount most people can set aside without too much stress, and it's the perfect start to build confidence and learn about investing. You don't need thousands of dollars to get started, especially with all the investment platforms available today. The important thing is to start small and grow over time. Step 2. Choose the right investment platform. The first thing you'll need is a beginner-friendly investment platform. Some great options include Robinhood, Webull, M1 Finance, and for those outside the US, eToro. These apps allow you to start investing with no account minimums, and they offer commission-free trading, so every dollar you invest goes directly into your portfolio. Step 3. What to invest in with $100. Now that you've chosen your platform, let's talk about where to put your $100. One of the safest ways to start investing is with ETFs or index funds. These funds allow you to invest in a basket of stocks, spreading out your risk. You can also invest in fractional shares, which means you can own a piece of expensive stocks like Amazon or Tesla, even if you don't have thousands to invest. For beginners, I recommend putting your money into broad market ETFs, such as the S&P 500 ETF or total market index funds. These track the performance of the overall market and tend to grow steadily over time. Diversification is key here. Don't put all your money into one stock. Step 4. Compound growth. Let time do the work. The beauty of investing is compound growth. With your $100 investment, time and reinvesting dividends will work to multiply your money. As your investments grow, you'll continue to earn returns not only on the money you put in, but also on the profits that your investments generate. This is how even small amounts of money can grow significantly over the years. Step 5. Consistency is key. The last thing you need to know is that investing is a long-term game. The best strategy is to be consistent. Keep adding to your portfolio, even if it's just small amounts every month. Over time, these regular contributions will compound, helping you build serious wealth. To recap, you can start investing with just $100 by choosing the right platform, investing in diversified ETFs or fractional shares, and letting time and consistency grow your money. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on how to grow your wealth with 3 Million Cash. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below and let's start investing together.